Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, today the market sold off somewhat. It was down a good part of the day and it sold off a little bit more, about another percent or so more towards the end of the day. The SPY was down about 3% at the end of the day. Now, if we look at the NDX, which is the tech stocks, that was down closer to 4% at the end of the day. So, what gives? What happened and what does it mean going forward? Well, the market's processing earnings news, it's processing oil and still the effect of inflation on interest rates. Particularly, though, I think right now earnings is really affecting the market. This is a very important earnings season. So, now going forward, what does this mean for the stock market? Well, it means a couple of things. First of all, we have to see how earnings plays out. Second of all, the tech stocks took a harder hit recently, and a lot of that is going to come into play in the form of what we call the great rotation, which means that people are likely to be selling tech stocks and buying more cyclicals, just those good old fashioned companies that sell actual stuff instead of technology type companies. So we should be seeing a lot of that. And another thing it means is that traders are going to need to adjust their trading styles and trade different things than they're used to, not just this buying the stock market and making money because the stock market always goes up, because this year it hasn't gone up. And I think that this sideways to potentially lower action could play out for another few months. So traders need other ways to trade. For example, earnings trades. For example, certain momentum setups. And also, for example, short squeezes. Short squeezes can be very powerful and can make up for many losers. One single short squeeze trade can make up for many losers in a market like this. And so those are really important as well. As a matter of fact, tomorrow night, I'm going to be holding a webinar on how I trade short squeezes. I'm going to introduce that system to you and give you the opportunity to be able to move forward and trade that system as well. So just simply go to the page that's going to pop up right after this video and join this complimentary webinar and learn more about short squeezes. This is Dan Passarelli. Trade smart.